Assalamu alaikum. I hope you will be fine at home. Let's start our learning about the letters and the sounds. Now today we will learn what's the name and what's are the sound of the letters. How to pronounce the letters name and their sounds. Now let's start our learning. This is A and the sound is A. This is B and the sound is B. This is C and the sound is K. This is D and the sound is D. This is E and the sound is F. This is F and the sound is F. This is G and the sound is G. This is H and the sound is H. This is I and the sound is E. This is J and the sound is J. This is K and the sound is K. This is L and the sound is L. This is M and the sound is M. This is N and the sound is N. This is O and the sound is O. This is P and the sound is P. This is Q and the sound is Q. This is R and the sound is R. This is S and the sound is S. This is T and the sound is T. This is U and the sound is A. This is V and the sound is W. This is W and the sound is W. Open your mouth wide. W. This is X and the sound is X. This is Y and the sound is Y. This is Z and the sound is Z. Now read separately. A, B, K, D, E, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, W, X, Y, Z. Now these are the name of the letters. Now read it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good, very good. Now identify these objects with their sounds. An apple, a ball, a cupcake, the dog, elephant, flag, guitar, hat, iguana, jacket, kite, leaf, monkey, 9, orange, penguin, quail, rabbit, starfish, train, umbrella, waist, wall, xylophone, yo-yo, zebra. Nice learning. Keep learning. Keep it up. Enjoy the sounds and the letters. Allah Hafiz. Stay at home. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.